more wetness. A lot more wetness. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, 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 more chill. Bigger chill. Of course, the sun is shining now, but when I was driving this very beautiful and fast M2, it started to rain. Although before it was sun shining. Before was sun was shining. Anyway, typical Eiffel weather. Sun shines, it rains. It shines, it rains. But yeah, we have here F87 BMW M2 competition, right? So M2C with the big performance brakes, Pagid RSL 29, brake pads all around, so very squeaky. We have also on the front the what tires are those? The Tempesta Enzo, and the rear is different, or?
No, the same.
The same.
295 and 265.
Yeah. Ah, yeah. The Vitour, Tempesta. Yeah. Cool. A lot of those tires, actually, well, many more cars are featuring those because I believe they've been released this year on the market. Because, yeah, it's like I haven't driven them last year, but this year, yes, and they're actually quite good. Also, quite big brakes on the back as well, so that's always nice. Pro track wheels, I think KW suspension.
Yes.
Yeah, which one? Club Sport or?
Club Sport.
Yeah, V4 Club Sport. And how much power does it make?
I think 520.
Yeah, 520. Yeah, possible. I mean, it's relatively easy with the S55. So yeah, for the rest, we have Recaro Sportster CS tires. I'm tired, not tires. Seats, which are very, very good. And yeah, for the rest, I would say enjoy the lap, how it is to drive in tricky conditions and following a flame-spitting GTR, and the importance of backing off when it starts to rain, because someone didn't do it and paid the price. So yeah, thank you for the lap.
Thank you.
And you guys, enjoy. So that Mini ahead of us is a very bad sign, because that car only goes out when it's wet. And usually I stop doing wet laps because from content perspective, people don't really care about them as much as I do, because I love them. And definitely on a car on semi-slicks, it's not that interesting either. So I thought, for some reason, because on my calendar it said that the track was supposed to be open at 5. So I got here at 5 and the track was closed because there was still industry pool. And it's only open at 5:30. Then it started to rain. And in addition, I also have the wrong ND settings. I would usually also probably not go out right now because it's semi-slicks that I haven't driven in the wet before. So yeah, let's see. It's gonna be interesting. Let's put the card away. Yeah, kind of excited. I always love a well-sorted M2 or any kind of car. Yes, pops and bangs. Oh man, it's gonna be wet probably. Oh yeah. Well, acceleration at least is good. So are the brakes. Pagid RSL 29s, what we used to run on our M4 GT4 race car. Ahead of us is Captain Guest Crank, very crazy driver. The grip is for now still okay. The wipers are going to annoy you guys on this lap, probably, definitely. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, it's lots of pops and bangs. Really want to be cautious with this weather because you don't know if it's. And of course we're running traction control off because why not? So yeah, important when you're doing the wet line is to stay off. You know what, we're gonna put it in efficient mode, so hopefully the crackle map is gone now. Yay, we do not have pops and bangs anymore, so. Alright, so the wipers need a bit of changing. There's still actually quite some grip, so that's good. looking what's happening behind me than ahead of me. Someone forgot their chewing gum in the passenger door, so... Something's rattling in the background as well, so... Oh yeah, we're doing nice and easy recon lap with Captain Grass Crank and his GT3 RS. There's a GTR behind us. La 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 la. We'll let him pass because he's really in a hurry. Seems to be dry here, at least for now. La, 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 la. The handling is very nice of this car. Trying to see if I can spot stateside supercars here. Ah, the car is really blended. I'm getting really sad that it started to rain because I would have loved to push it a bit harder, but we need to be really cautious. Bit of scrape. I think we're gonna still have like a nice lead and follow lap. GT3 RS, GTR, the Yaris. And lots of traffic, yeah, because we are the first lap of the day. What's happening in the passenger seat? Oh, I saw some fire from the GTR. That was nice, watching out for the dry line. No need to push, because there is traffic anyway. Yeah, no, I really like it, and also these tires, those V-Tour P1 or something they're called. I started to experience them this season because I think it's a pretty new brand. I think it came from US maybe or something. You know, they're quite alright, especially now in a relatively cold environment and damp. They warmed up nicely and good control. Oh, he's smoking his brakes. Did you see his brakes? Oh man, that GTR might be in for a surprise, especially if he's trying. Oh, look at that! It's George, KLMC license plate. Wow, hilarious. I mean, it's a SQ5 after all. I'm smelling the brakes of the GTR ahead of us, so we're gonna just keep a bit of distance. Yes. Not 100% trusting that. I wonder what's like beeping in the background. Maybe the cage, maybe also something forgotten. Off we go, acceleration. But I like how linear this car is. The map is good. Oh, some really proper fire. The mapping is nice now, especially without pops and banks. It's made me really like the map and the setup, so now you can focus on the driving. What a show. At first I was very scared that it was going to be a boring lap with being a bit too over cautious with the wetness level, but this flamethrower GTR is making it very nice. Watching out for the MX-5. Oh! Taking a bit of the curb. Not sure if you can hear the intake noises. DC is still off, so very good. Come on! Hitting the bump stops. In limp mode. I mean, GTRs tend to do it. out a bit. Oh. Come back, Captain Gas Crank. Wetness. A lot more wetness. Chill, 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 chill. Chill, chill, chill. More chill. Bigger chill. Alright. Time to back off slightly. You can see the GT3 RS is doing the same. Because now it's becoming not worth it to push. La 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 la. La la la. Alright, no, it was a great lap. I like the car. Brake setup is amazing because front and rear RSL 29s. Not a big fan of exaggerated pops and bangs, because let me turn it back on for you. Yeah, we're putting it in sport mode. It does feel that it has more power, but a bit of too much pops and bangs. Oh, slow down. Oh, yeah, that's... So, I'm not allowed to show you crashes, but I can tell you that an E92 M3 is gone and done. Yeah, because if it starts raining, do not risk it. You have grip until you don't, and it's really not worth it. So, on that note, as mentioned, I really enjoyed the lap. I enjoyed the car. At first I said already during the lap, I was skeptical, like, oh, maybe it's going to be too wet. But it was alright. So, impressions. The setup is good. I couldn't really push it because it was either traffic, but I still could push it enough to keep up with much faster cars and having a nice conversation. So the best thing, the brakes are great. Suspension setup is also good. The car is driving straight. The Ring Mini behind me is definitely super happy that it started to ring properly. So this means we are definitely going away. I like the tire setup as well, I guess, because I haven't driven them in the wet yet, and they're good in damp. They warm up quick as well. So all is very nice. Very, very nice. We can say say a quick hello and then quick goodbye. He's probably going to T13 because that's where people are going for like the locals to do the tire pressures, etc. No, I liked it. Anything I didn't like, yeah, the pops and bangs were too much, but when you put the car in efficient, the valve closed and it was fine. It felt a bit slower after that, or let's say it felt faster with the valve open, obviously. But did I miss those extra horsepower? Not really. So it's nice. Seats are good. So overall good. Yeah, just a bit unlucky with the weather, but lucky with traffic because we had a nice fire show until we didn't. And yeah, now off we go home. So thanks for watching. Thanks for the one thing that I definitely need to change in this car are the wipers, because it's quite bad. Brake pads, typical RSL 29, noisy. Yeah, thank you for the lap opportunity. And yeah, hope you guys had fun as well. Hope you're having a good day, and see you soon, most likely on tomorrow's video, which is probably something with the Nürburgring. Maybe it's off season and I'm gonna end up shooting something in the Emirates or Croatia or South Africa. I really need to go there because I bought a car there. maybe this video is published by the time it's already announced. But I bought the car like 4 months ago there already, so. But yeah. Which car? You either already know it or we will tell you soon. But yeah. Speak soon. Have a good day. Bye.